Hey, this fun to YouTube. Today we're going to build this awesome set that I got for Christmas from Knex. Right, as Robo Smash. Be so loud. I never built Knex before, because it's entirely new to me. Yeah, so open up in all these bags. You can get the cardboard here. You even have the instruction booklets. Ooh, and you have stickers. I'll get some scissors to cut these. Yeah. Yes, so in this bag we have the power motor to power it up, and you can move like say Lego Mindstorms and Lego Technics might have some of these things as well. Two amazing things. And then after that, and then after all these pieces, I'll ignore it over here. And then after that, then see here all the steps. It only has 16. So let's start building here. So bye.